Well, Jergens was started in 1942. There was a little problem going on overseas at that time, as we all remember, and my dad and grandfather were tool designers. They felt that they could create a company to help support the war efforts. My dad had rheumatic fever, so he couldn't go on active duty, and together they quit at White Motor Company to start Jergens. The first products were parts for the Hellcats and the Wildcat aircraft. 1942, they would machine parts during the day, put them on the Greyhound bus, run them up to Detroit, and they'd be put on the aircraft the next day. That's not really a long-term strategy because, thank goodness, we ended the war in 1945, and those products stopped being sold immediately. My grandfather, being a skilled tool and die maker, said, I can keep doing technical tool and die work. I have a father that said, I think we're going to be making washing machines, automobiles, we're going to be making consumer products, and we should be making standard items that can be replaced, used, replaced, and used throughout. And we decided to go into a catalog standard and become the first company to create a catalog standard of tool and die, jig and fixture components, replaceable throughout the entire United States and across the country. As it turned out, that was the right move to make. I joined the family business after going in active duty in the Army, so sometime after 1978. First thing I did was break it up into multiple divisions: an electronics assembly division, an industrial supply company, and a manufacturing company. So that was the big change, and it meant breaking up order desk, breaking up inventory, warehousing, everything became focused on their individual sectors.